Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Ma'am,
beta.
ma'am, this is English creative writing class.
No, beta, but we have done everything in English creative writing. That is why we will do social studies. Okay?
Good morning, ma'am.
We'll continue our SSC work. Good morning to all of you.
Good
Everyone,
morning, ma'am.
good morning, beta. Good morning. Okay, let's wait for a minute for others to join. Only 6 students have joined. I hope all of you have done those 5 key points.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, creative writing, we have done personal narrative.
No, we are not doing creative writing right now. We will continue our SSC work.
Ma'am, but
Okay?
I am on the
Okay, ma'am.
fourth one. Ma'am, I am on the fourth one.
Okay, you are on the 4th one. You want me to
Ma'am.
share the screen, Yashmi?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
today is my birthday.
Ma'am, I don't.
Shobit, you forgot we had your birthday song in the morning.
Yes,
Good
ma'am.
morning,
Ma'am. I think you are another ma'am.
Oh, you thought I'm another ma'am. Very nice.
Ma'am, you don't share a screen. I will see from the picture. I was telling
We
because
will do
you
key
said.
points. Starting, and today we do key points. Ma'am,
Yashmit, I can't understand what you are saying.
Ma'am, I was saying that you don't share a screen. I was just telling because you said that everyone has done key points. So I was telling I was on fourth one.
Okay, now do the 5th one. And now, children, I'm sharing the next screen with all of you from point number 6. We will do key points. We'll continue to write key points. I'm sharing the next page with all of you. Okay? Clear to everyone? No queries now?
ma'am, please send that also on WhatsApp group.
Okay, that also I will send on WhatsApp group. Just give me a minute. Let me just share it first.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta.
Oh. Ma'am, please share the screen.
Okay. All of you can see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now the page got folded while clicking the picture and I didn't realize the word under this fold is is. Bhavya Rastogi, beta, stop it. It's is. The central part of the lithosphere is the core.
Ma'am, by mistake it happens. Happened. Ma'am, in 6 point, what is in after lithosphere?
Is.
Ma'am, somebody is scribbling on the Ma'am, what is written after lithosphere?
Beta, IS is the central part of the lithosphere is the core.
Ma'am, in seventh point, what is written after divided into?
2 layers.
Ma'am, please send this on a WhatsApp group.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, what is written in 8? The core is made up of iron and
Nickel.
ma'am, what's the last word in the sixth sentence?
Beta, in the 6th sentence, the last word is core. C-O-R-E. Check the class group. I have sent the work.
Ma'am, what is written in sixth point after lithosphere?
IS is.
Ma'am, in the sixth point, which we have to underline.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to underline the core.
Ma'am, what is written after lithosphere in sixth point?
IS is.
Ma'am, I am on ninth one. Ma'am, what is written in the eighth one? The core is made up of iron and.
The core is made up of iron and nickel. Nickel.
Ma'am, I have done Akshita. But ma'am, this is our English creative period.
I know, beta. We have covered everything in English creative. That is why I'm continuing this work.
Ma'am, please scroll little bit down. Ma'am, I've done Kanav till 11. Ma'am, I have done till 11.
Beta, now wait
Ma'am,
for
I have
others.
also done.
Wait for others to finish.
Ma'am, please scroll up. Ma'am, what is written in 8.1?
Iron and nickel.
Ma'am, in 10th point, what is written after 3/4 of the?
Which sentence?
Ma'am,
3/4.
10th.
Okay, wait. 3/4 of the Earth's surface.
Ma'am, Earth.
Yes, beta. Earth's surface.
Okay, ma'am.
And children, please don't write the S written in the word fourths. 3/4. So make it just 3/4. Okay, 3/4 of the Earth's surface. S will not come in the word fourths.
Ma'am, in which point?
Beta, in the 10th point, I have written 3/4. So it will be 3/4, not 3/4.
Ma'am, please scroll up. Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, please scroll down a bit. Ma'am, I have also done till 11. Ma'am, I also done till 11.
How many of you have done till 11th point?
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have done Aksha. Ma'am, I have I have done Akshudha.
All right, so that means it's time to share the next screen.
Yes,
No, I am on 11.
Excuse me,
The
ma'am.
3 points.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. In the second page, there are some pages folded off up. So what is that word?
That word is is.
Please scroll. I am on 11.
Okay. At 11 o'clock. Those who have done, it's break time for you. At sharp 11, I'm going to change the screen. Okay? And those who have done can give a little rest and massage to their hands. You must be tired, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now massage your fingers, massage your hands.
Ma'am, I have done Arhan.
Very nice.
Okay, ma'am.
I have done.
You have done? So 5 minutes break for your hands, for your fingers.
Ma'am, please erase this scribbling.
Who has done this scribbling? I want to know this. Who is this boy?
Bhavya.
Bhavya is a little baby, huh?
Ma'am, what is the seventh point? First point, the ma'am, what is the second word?
The core is divided into two layers, the inner core and the outer core.
Ma'am,
It is the
ma'am,
hottest part of the earth.
please show the 11th one. Fourth.
Yes. Yatharth, which one, beta?
Ma'am, please scroll down. Ma'am, there is
Beta, will you please let
ma'am,
will you all please let Yatharth speak? I'm talking to him.
ma'am, there is only 11 key points.
Yatharth, say beta.
Ma'am, what is written in the 10th one first?
3/4 of the Earth's surface. It should not be 3/4. Don't write S in the word fourths. Okay? Cut it. 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water. No, Raina, there are many more points. There are 20 points in all. Children, 2 more minutes for this screen. At 11, the screen is going to change. Hurry up.
Ma'am, I have done Agrita.
Yes, screenshot. Ma'am, please send
Those who have done, please don't tell me. Sit down quietly.
screenshot of this page because I am late. I'm sorry. I have
The picture.
connected.
Take a screenshot.
Ma'am, please enlarge the screen. Ma'am, and the downwards 11.
Ma'am, can you send on group?
Beta, I have already sent it on the group. Check the class group.
Ma'am, please send rest of the 9 keywords on the WhatsApp group.
First, I will share it here, then I'll share it on the class group.
Ma'am, it's 11 o'clock.
Okay, time to change the screen. Those who have not done any point can do it from the class group.
Ma'am, please send in group.
Okay, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is written for after 4 in 12?
12th point for EG. Okay, EG is short form for example. For example, wells and aquifers.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, in 12th point, what is written after known?
Known as. AS.
Ma'am, in 12th point, what is written after for? Water for?
For example. EG is the short form which is used for example. If you don't want to write the whole word, you can write EG.
And ma'am, what do you have written? Ma'am, what is written uh, after and?
I have not sent it on WhatsApp group till now.
Beta, I have sent it.
Ma'am, please
Excuse
tell
me, ma'am.
Yes.
Time again.
Ma'am, in the ninth one, ma'am, what is written the first word?
Ninth one.
Yes, ma'am. The first word.
Hydrosphere.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, excuse me.
Yes, Bhavya, speak your line, beta.
Ma'am, please send it again because on my WhatsApp group there is not came. I have checked it properly.
Ma'am, in 13th point, what is written after water as gas?
Ma'am, may I resend it?
Water as gas is present in fog or clouds.
Can you send? Because there is
Bhavya,
some network
Ma'am, I have done
Bhavya, I have sent it again, beta. Check. I think there is some network problem from your side.
Ma'am, I have done.
You have done all these points, my God, super fast.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, it is still not coming.
So, Bhavya, please check your net.
Ma'am, I have sent it.
Ma'am, I have done, Akrita. Ma'am, I was disconnected for a while. I'm on the 10th one.
Ma'am, in 13th one, sorry, ma'am, in 14th one, where you cutted A and wrote the, we should not write A, we should write the.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I have done till 18th. Ma'am, I have
Very
done till
good. Very
19th.
nice. Very nice. Very nice. I have scrolled down now. Students, do these points.
Ma'am, I have done this also. Ma'am, I have done till 18 Arhan.
Ma'am, there are only 18.
No, beta, there are 20 points in all.
Ma'am, you can share the 2 also.
You
We
want
will
to
do
share
it
the
right
next
there
two
only.
also?
Yes, ma'am. It will
Okay,
take
listen.
ma'am, because I have done till 18. 5 minutes.
Yes, ma'am. Please share that also.
Wait,
So, ma'am, we
beta,
can
wait.
save it.
No, 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 no. I will now speak the last 2 points. Is that fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So you listen to the points. Those who have written can write what I'm speaking. Or shall I type it for you in the chat box?
Ma'am, in chat box.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, first, can you please give us 2 minutes to complete till here?
Yes.
Ma'am, I
You
have
take 2 minutes, you take 5 minutes, and then later you can also do it from the chat box.
Okay, ma'am.
Isn't it?
Ma'am, please show the 18th one.
Now 19th and 20th point is in the chat box. That's all for today. All these key points is what we were supposed to do today.
Ma'am, I am tired.
Yes, beta, I can understand. But now you can take rest.
Ma'am, I have done 19 also. I'm on
Very
20.
good. Very good.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am, I have done till 20.
Ma'am, in 19 and 18, we have to underline any word or not?
Yes, beta, you can underline biosphere is the area of the earth where life exists. Underline the last three words where life exists. And an ecosystem is a complex community of living and non-living things. Don't underline anything here.
Ma'am, I have done till 20.
Very good.
Ma'am, I
Very
have done
nice.
till 20.
Very, very nice, beta. Very nice.
In the 21 we can underline an ecosystem.
In 20, okay. Underline it.
Ma'am, there is only 20 key points.
Yes, beta, there are only 20 key points.
Ma'am, where is two more key points?
Beta, in the chat box.
Ma'am, in the 18th key point, you have not written hydrogen.
What, beta?
Ma'am, in the 18th key point, you have not written hydrogen gas.
Hydrogen. So hydrogen is given in book, beta. Is it given in the book also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write it then.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the 18th point, what is written after is made up of?
Wait, let me see. Is made up of several gases.
Okay, ma'am.
The atmosphere is made up of several gases like
Excuse me, ma'am, can you send the key point 19 and 20 again in the chat box? Because when my meeting is left, so all things deleted automatically from the chat box.
okay, beta. Children, 19th and 20th point is on the screen.
Ma'am,
Yes.
20 are over. So can I complete my some incomplete works?
Beta, now hardly any time is left. At 11:20, your next class will start. Children, I hope you are clear with all these points. Now tomorrow, when we'll begin our class, we are going to revise with these key points. Just go through these key points once so that you are able to do all the exercises very easily.
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, I have also done.
Very nice, very good.